West Bengal's 2026 assembly election is shaping up for high voltage start, with Bharatiya Janata Party preparing a two-step political push before the official campaign begins. Hello, I'm Ashia, and today we are looking at BJP's upcoming strategy, its manifesto plan, and how the party is trying to directly challenge the TMC through welfare promises and governance questions. The BJP is expected to release its election manifesto called the Sankalp Patra in the first week of April, most likely around 5th April. But before that, on March 28, the party is planning to release a charge sheet against the TMC. The document is expected to list what the BJP calls for 15 years of misrule in the state, and it is aimed at setting the tone for the campaign early. Now, what is important is the direction of BJP's campaign this time. Reports and internal discussion suggest that the party is shifting away from a purely ideological fight and moving towards a direct welfare versus welfare contest with the TMC. One of the biggest talking points is the cash support for voters. The BJP is expected to propose a monthly financial assistance of around 3,000 rupees for women. This is being seen as direct challenge to the TMC Lakshmi Bhandar, which currently provides monthly support in range of 1500 to 1700 rupees. A similar approach is being planned for younger voters also. BJP is likely to announce 3,000 rupees monthly stipend for unemployed young youth proposed under Yuva Sathi program. This is aimed at competing with the TMC's Banglar Yuva Sathi scheme, which already offers financial assistance to the youth in Bengal. But the manifesto is not only focused on cash transfers. BJP is also targeting state government employees, a group of more than 10 lakh people. The party is promising DNS allowance party and clearance of all pending DA areas within a short period if it comes to the power. But it is also promising to implement the 7th Pay Commission to bring salaries closer to central government levels. Along with this, the party is focusing on industrial and agriculture messaging. One of the key symbolic proposals being discussed in the development of industrial park in Singur, the same area that once saw the Tata Nano project controversy. The BJP is presenting this as sign of new industrial push in the state. And for farmers, the party is promising better implementation of minimum support price for crops like rice and potato, along with improved cold shortages, infrastructure to reduce losses. So, what is the bigger picture here? The election is no longer only about ideology or identity politics. It is increasingly becoming a direct competition of welfare promises, salaries, and job of governments and claims. On one side, the TMC is defending its existing welfare model. On the other side, the BJP is trying to offer higher benefits, central schemes, and promise of administrative change. And in the end, the real question will be simple. Which promise feels more real to the voters and which party they trust to deliver it on the ground? As the West Bengal moves closer to voting, this battle of welfare promises is set to define the tone of entire election. And with this news, I am Asha and you're watching NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.